Have you ever wondered about the common mistakes that occur in EFL classrooms? It's quite a mixed bag, from grammatical errors like tense confusion and preposition misuse, to vocabulary blunders, such as incorrect collocations and idiomatic phrase usage. Not to forget pronunciation pitfalls, like mispronounced words, misplaced emphasis, or speaking too quickly or slowly. Writing isn't left out either, with grammatical, spelling, and vocabulary errors in written work. All these can hamper the learning process and dent the student's confidence. These common mistakes can be addressed effectively with proper correction techniques. One of the effective ways to correct these mistakes is through immediate correction techniques. One such technique is recasting, where you as a teacher reformulate the student's incorrect sentence without interrupting the flow of communication. This is a subtle yet powerful way to model correct language use. Another technique is elicitation, where you prompt the student to self-correct by asking questions or giving clues. This encourages students to think critically and correct their own mistakes. Immediate correction techniques can provide on-the-spot feedback and help students correct their mistakes promptly. But what if the mistake doesn't hinder the communication? Here, delayed correction techniques come into play. These techniques, like error correction codes, allow teachers to mark errors in written work using symbols. This encourages students to revisit and correct these mistakes later, fostering learning autonomy. Then, there's the correction slot technique, where teachers note down mistakes and address them at a more suitable time during the lesson. Delayed correction techniques can help students focus on communication during the lesson and deal with their mistakes later. Let's wrap up what we've learned today about error correction in EFL classrooms. We dove into immediate correction techniques, which promote on-the-spot learning and are particularly effective for addressing grammatical and pronunciation errors. Then, we explored delayed correction methods, perfect for tackling written mistakes and fostering independent error recognition. Both techniques, used judiciously, can significantly improve students' English proficiency. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate mistakes, but to guide students towards effective communication in English.